Benefits of eating Moringa. Moringa has 7% more vitamin C than oranges, 4% more vitamin A than carrots, 17% more calcium than milk, 25% more iron than spinach, calcium, potassium, and protein. Increases immunity. Antioxidants and vitamin C help fight infection and support overall health. Controls blood sugar. Supports heart health, helps lower cholesterol. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Improves digestion. High in fiber, good for digestive and intestinal health. Moringa has natural antibacterial properties. Enhances brain function. Supports memory and cognitive function. Helps reduce stress and anxiety. Moringa promotes healthy skin and hair. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E for glowing skin that strengthens hair and prevents dryness. Helps in weight loss. Increases metabolism and helps burn fat. Reduces cravings and promotes fullness. Supports liver health. Helps detoxify the liver and protect it from damage. Reduces inflammation. Contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can relieve pain. Moringa seed oil is also extracted and used. Moringa can be consumed as fresh leaves, powder, tea, or oil.